Hello kids, it's me, Teacher Christy. How are you today? I hope you're doing great and happy. Today, we are going to learn another lesson. We are going to talk about common communicable diseases. But what is a communicable disease? A communicable disease is any disease that can be passed from one infected being to another. So without further ado, here are some common communicable diseases that you may pick up at school or anywhere. Number 1. Common cold. Common cold is one of the most contagious diseases caused by many different viruses, leading to runny nose, coughing, and sneezing. You'll get sick when someone who's got a cold touches an object that later touched by you, like door handles, stair railings, books, pens, video game remotes, and a computer keyboard are some common carriers of cold viruses. They can live on one of those objects for several hours. Washing hands is the best defense. Wash your hands after every bathroom trip, before every meal, and after playing at school or at home. It takes 20 seconds of hand washing with warm, soapy water to get rid of germs. You can sing a happy birthday song twice to know that they're washed long enough. Using hand sanitizer is also a good option to prevent the spread of germs. If you have a cold, make sure you protect others from catching it. If you have symptoms, just stay at home to avoid contact with other children at school. Cover your mouth when sneezing and use a tissue when you blow your nose. If you don't have a tissue, you can cough on your sleeve and wash your hands after coughing, sneezing, or blowing your nose. And also increase fluid intake for quicker healing. Number 2. Head lice. Head lice are tiny insects that feed on blood from the scalp. They also lay eggs or nits on the scalp. Head lice spread through head-to-head contact. Luckily, lice do not cause any serious disease, but they do cause itching. And itching is the only symptom. You can see lice and nits by looking closely as you comb through your hair. You can get rid of lice with the over-the-counter treatments. However, you might need to use the treatment more than once. Number 3. Hand, foot, and mouth disease. Hand, foot, and mouth disease gets its name from the blister-like rash that appears on a child's hands, feet, and mouth. It is a common disease in children younger than 10. A virus causes it, and it spreads by contact with mucus, saliva, blisters, and feces. Besides the rash, children may have a fever, runny nose, and a sore throat. Doctors treat it with lots of fluids and medication to lower fever. To prevent spreading it, wash hands well and be careful when handling diapers. Number 4. Pink eye or conjunctivitis. Pink eye or conjunctivitis makes your eye look pink from inflamed blood vessels. The eye may itch, burn, get crusty, and shed tears. Viral bacteria cause pink eye and it spreads easily from child to child. as well to other household members. Pink eye often goes away without treatment, but a doctor may prescribe eye drops. Call a doctor if symptoms last more than a few days, the eye gets red, or the child complains of bad pain, blurry vision, or sensitivity to light. Being a good hand washer is the best way to avoid pink eye. Number 5. Chickenpox. Chickenpox is a viral infection that causes fever and an itchy rash with spots all over the body. The rash begins as many small red bumps that look like pimples or insect bites. They appear in waves over 2 to 4 days, then develop into thin-walled blisters filled with fluid. The blister walls break, leaving open sores, which finally crust over to become dry, brown scabs. We can treat chickenpox at home by drinking plenty of fluid to avoid dehydration. Take paracetamol to help with pain and discomfort. You can put socks on hands at night to stop scratching. You can also cut your nails. Use cooling creams or gels from a pharmacy. Make sure to speak to a pharmacist about using antihistamine medicine to relieve itchiness. You can also bathe in cool water and pat the skin dry, but do not rub, and dress in loose clothes. And those are some of the common communicable diseases. Again, number 1, common cold. Number 2, lice or head lice. Number 3, hand, foot, and mouth disease. Number 4, pink eye or conjunctivitis. And number 5, chickenpox. And for your worksheet, all you need to do is to match the word to the right picture. Have fun! And that's it for our lesson about the common communicable diseases. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye-bye!